Wait, I feel like there's someone behind me. Councilmember Robert Cornegy from Brooklyn. The silver lining is that he has awoken a sleeping giant. And that is the people. That is immigrants and women and the undocumented and LGBT people and people of color and poor people and union members. We are in this struggle together. And I feel like 2017 was a rough year. But 2018 is going to be better. Because every time he says this, he wants us to feel beaten down. He wants us to feel divided. And no, on a cold January day, MLK Day, in his name, we are out here at the crossroads of the world, Times Square, standing united, all communities, against this maniac in the White House. So I stand here today as Speaker of the City Council to tell you that I am not from New York City. I grew up in Massachusetts. And many of the people around here from New York City, not from New York City. But that's the great thing about our city, and that's the great thing about America, is that we welcome people for who they are, for their diversity, for the language that they speak, for the unique experience that they carry. And so we stand united with people who come to this country, people of African descent, Haitians, every single immigrant. Can you